Welcome to this amazing channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. So in today's video, I'm actually going to be making dinner for my son. So what I'm actually making right here is coconut milk gravy for my white rice. Okay, so I started off by washing out these shrimps right here. So I'm gonna be cooking shrimps with chicken, and then after that I'm gonna chop off like vegetables and put inside, and like eventually put the coconut milk inside to like make the gravy for my rice. So over here is basically me just peeling off these shrimps that I bought the other day. So I'm just gonna wash it out, put it in a pot, season it. So here go my chicken. Okay, so I prefer to use chicken thigh for my gravy. Sometimes when I'm making teriyaki chicken, I do use chicken thigh. So but today I'm not making teriyaki chicken. I'm gonna be making this coconut milk gravy for my white rice. Okay, so what I basically did was to wash out my shrimps, wash out the chicken, cut the chicken up, put it in a pot. So over here is my onion, so I'm just gonna chop it up and put it in a pot, and I'm gonna season my chicken, and then I'm gonna start cooking it. Basically, once I was done cutting up these onions, what I did was to just put it straight in the pot where I have my meat and my shrimps. After that, I'm gonna grab my salt. I'm gonna get my chicken broth. Well, the chicken broth that I have over here is not like the regular chicken broth that everybody knows. This is more of like an African kind of chicken broth. We call it Maggi. For those of you who know, you know. Okay, so this is chicken broth, the African version. Okay, so after this, I'm gonna put a little bit of salt inside, put a little bit of pepper. The pepper that I have over there is a Jamaican paprika, I think it's called. So that's what I'm gonna put in these meat, but I'm not gonna put too much because I don't want it to be too spicy. My son does not eat spicy food. He's kind of like allergic to like spicy food, so I'm gonna make sure I don't put too much of this paprika, Jamaican paprika. So now the meat is seasoned. I'm gonna go ahead and cook the meat. So I decided to put oil inside because I don't want the meat to get burnt, and also to kind of give it like some type of flavor. Well, I think it does give it some type of flavor. I'm not too sure, but the most important thing and the main reason why I did put the oil inside is because I don't want it to burn, because I didn't want to put water inside. So what I did is just to put a little bit of oil inside, and now here go the chicken. So I'm basically just stirring it up, right? Now I'm gonna cover it up and let it cook. Let it cook for like about 5 minutes, and that's when I'm gonna start putting water inside. Of course, I did put water inside. I don't want the meat to get burnt. So now the meat is cooking. Okay, as you can see over here, like everything kind of looks good. I'm basically just stirred in. Oh my god, I can't even speak. Like, this is insane. Okay, so yeah, so we're kind of like done with the meat. So now we're back to the vegetables. Well, yeah. So here's the vegetables. I'm just gonna cut it up, cut it open, wash it out, and then kind of like cut it into like different pieces, probably like kind of square shape. I don't know, whatever shape I do decide to cut these into. After that, I'm just gonna put it straight into the pot where I have my chicken and my shrimps. Okay, so stay tuned, y'all. All that I did over here was to cut the bell pepper into like 4 pieces, and after that I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it up just the way you're seeing right here, okay, into like smaller pieces, because I don't want to put a big chunk inside. That is not, yeah, that's gross. But yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing right here. I'm just cutting it and cutting it and cutting it and cutting it. Okay, yeah, scratch that. So now once I'm done cutting this, I'm just gonna put it in the pot, just like I said before. So watch me do it. Now we have our vegetables inside. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and stir it up. After a while, well, after stirring it up, I'm just gonna go ahead and put the lid on top of the pot. Well, cover it up, and just kind of let it cook for like about 10 to like 15 minutes, I would say. After that, I'm gonna go back and check. But yeah, before I go back to check, check if the meat and the vegetable is really cooking, I'm just gonna go ahead and open these coconut milk up, because this is like what is gonna make it really thick. This is what's gonna make the gravy thick, okay? And that's the reason why I got this. If you haven't been doing this, if you are trying to make gravy and the gravy is not getting thick, this is what you need to make your gravy thick, okay? So get you one of this coconut milk, and then kind of like, well, stir it, make sure it's good inside, make sure it's not expired. Once you open it up, you just pour it inside, and then just kind of give it like some time, probably like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and then go back and check the coconut milk and everything else that you have in your pot. And you're gonna notice something. You're gonna see that the gravy is not the way it was before. It's gonna be thick, okay? So that's the reason why I always get me one of these coconut milk, and I think you should do the same, okay? Like, it's very helpful. It makes your gravy thick, and yeah, you want your gravy to be thick. You don't want to be eating I don't know what. Ooh, I like to see my food bubbling the way it is right now. Ooh, god damn. Okay, so I got me curry powder. So that is what I'm putting in right now. I do advise that you get you some curry powder too. Oh my god, yeah, curry powder too. Just so the gravy is not completely like white and like plain. You just want it to have like some type of color to it. So I do advise you get you a curry powder, so you could just sprinkle a little bit inside and just kind of let it cook, and you're gonna see exactly how the result, how it's gonna look at the end of the day. So this is me adding more curry because I feel like that wasn't enough. And what I actually just put in right now is chicken broth. Folks, we're just gonna let the gravy cook now, okay? So just give it some time. Give it probably like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or probably less, okay? Here you go. You can see like there is a difference between the way it was versus now. Now it looks a little brown, and it actually looks cooked right now, okay? So I'm gonna take it up. I believe y'all know how to make rice, so I'm not gonna go into like details on like how you boil rice, how you boil it and wash it out and cook it back. Yeah, I didn't want to show you all that because I feel like you guys already know that. So the rice is cooked. So this is basically me just putting the rice in a plate, and I'm just gonna put my gravy inside, and you're gonna see exactly how everything kind of looks put together. Okay, so we getting ready to eat now, y'all. There go the rice and the gravy, y'all. Oh my god, this is so amazing. Like this looks so good. Like I really cannot wait to taste and like see if it actually tastes good. Actually, when I was making the gravy, I tasted it, so yeah, it actually tastes good to me. But like eating the gravy with rice is what I haven't tried yet. Well, I did it in the past, but I'm talking about like this one that I did right now. So I'm so eager and like happy to try this, and I know my son is gonna like it. As long as it's not spicy, he's definitely gonna eat it. Of course, I'm gonna take the first bite before I give it to my son, because I don't want it to be spicy. I don't want to give him something that he's allergic to, you feel me? So I decided to taste the food first, okay, before giving it to him. So I'm about to feed him. Like, I'm so happy. Like, these taste so good. I wish you guys can actually taste this food. Like, you will be like, wow, oh my gosh, she knows how to cook. Yes, I do. You see my son over here, he's looking all excited. He cannot wait to eat the food. Like, there you go, boy, there you go. Oh my god, I think he likes it though, because sometimes I do notice sometimes when I give him something that he doesn't like, I see like his reaction, like you could tell on his face that he doesn't like the food, but I can tell over here that he actually likes this food. I was done feeding him. Of course I ate mine, and thank you so much for your support.